eighth note triplets. So what are eighth note triplets? Well, this video is to help you understand triplets, specifically eighth note triplets. Feel free to pause the video, rewind it, or watch it again, catch all the information. So a triplet is a group of notes where you have three in the space of two. So let's take a look at that. We have a quarter note. So here's our quarter note. And then, of course, a quarter note is worth one beat. We can split that into two notes, two equal notes, so that now we have two eighth notes. So that would be the same as saying I have 1/2 of a beat plus another 1/2 of a beat. And of course, if we put that together, that would also equal one beat right there. So what we do with a triplet is if we take a different quarter note over here, that quarter note is also worth one beat, but we can take this and we can split it into three separate notes. They have to be three equal notes, equal value, equal length. And so that would be like saying I have 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. And then if you have 3/3, that of course equals one beat, and this still equals one beat. Now, if you look over here, these eighth notes and these eighth notes, they look the same. These are 1/2 a beat each, and these are 1/3 of a beat. So we need to be able to tell the difference between them. So how we do that is, I'll get rid of that. And so we write a 3 so that we know these three notes that are beamed together are a triplet and not standard eighth notes. Because otherwise, if we did not have that, I'll use another example right here. If I have these three notes, and these three notes are beamed together, and there is no 3 up here, that means this would be three eighth notes together. So that would be 1/2 of a beat plus 1/2 of a beat plus another 1/2 of a beat there, which would actually be 1.5 beats. That is different than what we have up here with the triplet. So to turn this into a triplet, we need to make sure that we have that 3. Now it turns into 1/3 plus 1/3 plus another 1/3. So this would equal one beat. Most of the time what you'll see is you'll see them beamed this way to make it simpler as well. So if you have a triplet that's all beamed together, then that's going to equal one beat.